Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can use one button press to open your dual power sliding doors and rear power tailgate on the all-new 2022 Kia Carnival. I have in front of me here our trusty EX Plus 3.5 liter in Ghost Gray. Let's get started. Okay, so first we need to go into the 12.3-inch infotainment screen. From the main screen, we're going to slide to the left. We're going to head into Setup. We're going to go to Vehicle. And we're going to slide down to Door. And then we're going to make sure that the remote power doors and liftgate are set to open the liftgate and the sliding doors. So the description here, it opens the liftgate and the left and right sliding doors when the Smart Key unlock button is pressed for 3 seconds. Now let's head outside and see how that works. Okay, now that I'm outside, so on the fob now, if I go ahead, the vehicle's completely locked. If I go ahead and press and hold the unlock button for a few seconds, now the dual power sliding doors and your rear power liftgate are all opening at once. You do what you got to do. When you're done, go ahead and press and hold the lock button and it will go ahead and close them all for you. Very easy. You can still open them all individually on the fob itself, but hey, a 3-second press to open them all together, that's super handy. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit that like button and make sure that you subscribe and select the notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.